You are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mathematics and Solution Center. Today we'll be looking at two equations of lines. Find the values of A if the line 2y minus ax plus 4 is equal to 0 is perpendicular to the line y is equal to x over 4 minus 7 is equal to 0. Solution. Let's write out the two equations given. I have 2y minus ax plus 4 is equal to 0 and y plus x over 4 minus 7 is equal to 0. These are two equations, but the question says that find the value of A. Now let's write the general form of equation of a line. Y is equal to mx plus c. This is the general form of equation of any given line. Provided that we can arrange the equation of a line in this format, the coefficient of x becomes the slope, while this c becomes the intercept on the y-axis. Now we are going to arrange this equation. Let me call this equation 1, equation 2, like the general form. So starting from equation 1, I have 2y minus ax plus 4 is equal to 0. I will take every other thing to the right hand side and leave y alone. I have 2y is equal to ax minus 4. Now we have 2y. We are supposed to have just y. We have to divide through by 2. I have y is equal to ax over 2 minus 4 divided by 2 minus 2. I'm done with the first equation. And in this equation, equation 1, the slope of this equation will now be equal to a over 2. Now we are going to rearrange equation 2 to look like the general form. Y plus x over 4 minus 7 is equal to 0. This is my equation 2. I will rearrange it to look exactly like equation of a straight line by taking every other values to the right hand side. Therefore, I have y is equal to minus x over 4 plus 7. This is my equation 2. From this, I can now conclude that the coefficient of x is my slope. So I will call it m2 is equal to minus 1 over 4. So we have the two slopes. Slope 1, m1 is equal to a over 2. Now the question says the two lines are perpendicular. We should find the value of a. You have to know the relationship between two lines that are perpendicular. When two lines are perpendicular, the product of their slopes, m1, m2, must be equal to minus 1. Or the slope of one is actually the negative inverse of the slope of the second line, which is still the same thing as what we have here. So m1 is a over 2 times m2 minus 1 over 4, which is equal to negative 1. I have minus a over 8 is equal to negative 1. Let's cross multiply. I have minus a is equal to minus 8. Divide both sides by minus 1. A is equal to 8. This is the value of a for which the two lines are perpendicular. Let's check our options. Option C is correct. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.